Ashiji, let's come to the meat of the matter as to what changes have happened in your portfolio over the last 4 or 5 months. Where have you used this opportunity of falling markets to add fresh positions or new stocks at your PMS?
So definitely we have added into certain names in our existing stocks and construct of the portfolio. But apart from that, there are some significant higher allocation we have done to certain themes. For example, the entire new age business or new age theme is something where we have increased our overall allocation. Earlier we used to have stocks like Eternal, which was a erstwhile name known as Zomato. But apart from that, we have entered into positions like Delhivery, Paytm, Nykaa, and even something like Ola Electric or a platform company like CarTrade. So all these companies we have added the position, and the overall allocation to this space is reasonably high in the portfolio at this point of time. The reason is very simple. Post the IPO, we have seen these stocks have seen a massive amount of correction, and after correcting for a good 1 to 2 years time frame, now we are seeing some strong base formation happening and in the stock, and this base formation is also coinciding with most of these stocks talking and the company's commentary and management guidance towards improved path of profitability, and which is resulting into increased investor participation into these names. And that's why we believe that this overall space looks very, very promising. For example, a company like Delhivery, which has posted its margins towards 6.5% from 3.9%. So there is a very improved operating margin profile, which is getting reflected into the company. Company has also done an acquisition of a company called Ecom Express. So because of that, I think there is a very strong improvement in the leadership position for this company in the entire logistics space. So I think this is one reason which is also getting reflected into the price behavior of Delhivery, which has been consolidating for a very long time and given a breakout on the monthly chart above 460 kind of zone. So all this is indicating that a strong price action could be seen in stocks like Delhivery. Same is the case with Nykaa, which has given very strong guidance in its recent analyst meet. So I think that's also getting reflected into the price behavior of Nykaa. So we can say that entire new age is something which looks very promising. Apart from that, we have been always vocal about the entire electronic manufacturing service as a space. So just to give you a perspective, this entire industry is growing at a 35 to 40% kind of CAGR in terms of its top line growth. There is a margin improvement because of value addition is being seen. So for example, Dixon, which used to do 10 to 15% kind of value addition in the entire mobile manufacturing, now the value addition has gone almost towards 35 to 40%, and with 35 to 40% kind of top line growth, we are going to see significant improvement on the margins front. And this is again getting reflected into the price behavior. When this entire fall in the broader markets were coming, these stocks were showing very strong relative strength against the broader market. So I think the entire space of EMS, which includes names like Amber, Dixon, Syrma, Kaynes, is looking very, very, very strong from a fundamental as well as from a technical perspective. And as we follow the concept of both fundamental and technical put together, we are watchful of these trends, and looks like this trend looks very promising in the medium term perspective.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.